Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the C6 error code on your Junkers water heater from the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This pesky error can leave you without hot water, but don't panic, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First off, let's understand what this error means. The C6 code typically indicates a problem with the flame detection or ignition system. It could be something simple like a dirty sensor or a more serious issue like a gas supply problem. Knowing this helps us troubleshoot effectively and get your heater back up and running quickly. Now, before we dive into fixes, a quick safety note. Always turn off the power and gas supply before inspecting your unit to avoid any risks. Alright, let's get started with the basics. Step 1. Check your gas supply. Make sure the gas valve is fully open and that there's no interruption in the gas line. Sometimes, it's as simple as a turned-off valve or a low gas pressure issue. If everything looks good there, move on to step 2. Inspect the flame sensor. This little component detects if the burner is lit, and if it's dirty or faulty, it can trigger the C6 error. Grab a soft cloth or a brush and gently clean it. Be careful not to damage it, we're not professionals here. If cleaning doesn't do the trick, try resetting the unit. Step 3. Turn off the power to your water heater at the circuit breaker for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches. Once it's reset, see if the error persists. If it does, you might need to check for other causes like a blocked exhaust vent or a malfunctioning ignition electrode. Remember, if you're not comfortable with these steps or if the problem continues, it's time to call in a certified technician to avoid any potential hazards. In summary, the C6 error on your Junkers water heater is often fixable with some basic checks and resets. By following these steps, you can save time and money. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.